Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add routines to your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, select routine right here. Now you can either set up the recommended routines or add your own one. I'll just add my own one. Now you can add a task and it will be either full cleaning of the full house, room cleaning, so only the selected rooms, or zone cleaning. Now let's select room cleaning. I will select the kitchen only. Now you can adjust all the settings of that cleaning. So let's click on it and you can change the suction power, the water flow, cleaning count and route, and you can also set anything else. Like instead of vacuum and mop, you can do vac followed by mop, you can do mop, you can do vacuum, and let's say I'll do vacuum and mop with a quick route, and let's do cleaning count 1 and standard suction power like balanced, and water flow, let's set it to low. Then let's click on save, and you can add more tasks, of course, but I'll just do this one. Let's click on complete. I'll name it quick after cooking. And now you can see I have that routine. I can click on it and it'll start doing that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.